2008 Honda Accord. We got our Autel Honda. We're gonna do automatic selection. We're gonna read the VIN, blade key, hot function. I don't think we need an adapter. Ignition on, add key, click start, insert registered key, ignition off, ignition on. We like to learn the next one. Ignition off. This is my new one. With the new key, turn the ignition on. Ignition on with the same new key. Ignition off. Ignition on. Security light went away. Did it go out? Yes. Turn the ignition off. Ignition on. Should start the car. There we go, baby.